Life, real life, a thing that we have been denied for far too long.
Oh my God! Wow!
Good morning, my neighbors! Hey, fuck you! Yes! Yes! Fuck you too!
My nigga.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Hey! Holy Ghost! Hey!
You are that guy. Incumbent traditional prime minister, His Royal Highness, Igwe, Doctor, Honorable, Engineer, Pastor, His Excellency, Ambassador, Igwe Uwezuoke, as onye mepimu nke isisi, African tallest man, otu onye na-ekpomo olu a, osisi kankwụ, ọkwụrụ ọka, fine man with that pimple.
I don't know if I green white green or red white red.
Okay!
You are a bad boy. 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 You are a very bad boy.
We move.
So it's my CANaversary, and and it's been nothing short of blessings and happiness and progress and success. In 1 year, a lot has happened. A lot of good things have happened. Things that have never happened to others. Good things. God has used my life to break records. In 6 months, I bought a house. I have a very good job. God has been blessing me. I can't thank God enough, and a big shout out to myself, and a big shout out to my family.
No, this God doesn't feel like I'm just here. I was looking for a way to do my tire. There's a nail inside my tire. I just parked to do my tire now. And I just said, let me check my phone, and I'm saying, hey! God! I'm freaking tearing up right now. God.
All the things you have done.
So congratulations, you are now a permanent resident of Canada, so welcome to Canada.
Hey!